Hey, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, we're going to make some yogurt using this organic probiotic cashew milk yogurt, plain. Go ahead and open it up. Organic matters. All right. And that is what it looks like. Go ahead and get me a little scoop-de-doop out. Wipe off the excess. And then I have some peaches here, sliced. And I'm going to cut those up and put them in my yogurt. Some fresh peaches. I did peel and clean the peach beforehand, so that was already done. Okay, that's the seed. All right, let's give it a little tizzy taste. It's good. Well, I'm going to add a little agave for some sweetness. Because it is plain yogurt, so the yogurt doesn't, it's plain. So I just added a little bit of sweetness to it. That's much better. I used to eat peaches and sour cream. It kind of reminds me of peaches and sour cream. So it's really good. So this is a little snack or dessert that I'm going to enjoy. If you like, you can also add granola or even some nuts. I have some walnuts here. And what I like to do is just take a few of them out. And crush them. Like so. And then once you crush them, it's easier to break them apart. This is just if you want a little crunch to your yogurt. It's great with just the fruit though. I also have pumpkin seeds, so you could always add something like that. Again, if you just want a little crunch. Okay, and I'm just gonna put those right on top. And there you go. I hope that was helpful. Love y'all. Later.